We got a new microwave. That's very impressive. 12 weeks since we're not having microwave because it's broken. Yeah, I agree with you, Billy. So, yeah. Olivia, we have a new microwave. So, yeah, because our microwave, old one, is broken. What things we're going to put on it now? I'm going to cook some leftovers. I'm going to put my sister Molly in it. Oh no, I better save her. Thank God the microwave did not break. Billy, how dare you put your sister in a microwave? That's it. I'm going to throw it in the freezer for 2 hours. Oh my God. After 2 hours later, I'm so cold. Too bad. That's what you get for putting your sister in the microwave. So we did the very cold punishment for you. That's your super ultra mega punishment. Omega super ultra infinity trinity omega super duper omega super duper big time. You are super grounded for 9789746897897888889539789 months. But now just uppercuts you. And no, he was. Oh, do this. Punch him. Punch his beard off. Don't be silly, man. Then maybe I'll just lay down in you because I'm very hot because of microwave. Oh no. Oh hell no. What the hell are you doing? Oh my God. Sir, I hate you, sour